in the heart of the African savanna. As the sun bows to the night, a story begins.
Just gather, drawn by the fire and by the wisdom of one man.
Tonight, I will tell you about a hunter of the sky, the eagle. Eagle, powerful, silent, watching from above. It sees what others cannot see, even what is hidden. It does not rush, it waits. Just wait for the right moment, my son, for patience is key.
Why not act quickly?
Because not every moment is the right moment. The time is right. The eagle moves with power, speed, and precision. See clearly before you act. Without vision, you are lost.
Mind you, you pay infidel on cette voie-là.
And when your moment comes, do not hesitate. Be like the eagle. Choose wisely, wait patiently, and act boldly. Many fail, not because they are weak, but because they chase everything after every opportunity and become tired with nothing in your hands. Eagle chooses one target and gives it full attention. Discipline is not easy, but it is what separates success from struggle. Your time comes, fear will speak, but you must act anyway. Patience, focus, discipline, and courage, this is the way of the eagle and the path of a wise life.